Is that going to Dave?
No, it's going on all over the internet.
Right, okay.
How do you feel about that? 495 customs.
495.
That's. Oh, the fucking.
You fucking reek, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is what the this is what the Polo 6N coilovers look like on a Micra that are fucked. That really hurt. That's not supposed to be there, and I'm pretty sure that's bent. Is that bent?
No, you.
I don't know.
Fallen off.
Nice. Nice, 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 nice. It would be nice when Gaz last finished with it. This is Gaz.
I'll sort it for you, mate. It'll look beautiful.
This is Gaz. He sells furniture at 495. Anything you want, any size, anything. It's all 495.
Even if it's 195, it's still 495.
That's the other side. It's going to be okay. Bye bye. Callum's here. Right boys, so this is why fucking Micras rot the fuck out. Your sunroof drain is that there, and obviously your sill sits there, not in focus, and it just drips onto your sill and rots through. So if ever you get your fucking sills done, get this pipe and extend it out of the bottom, or reroute it so it doesn't fucking drip into the sill, because it's the stupidest fucking design ever in the world, innit, Gaz?
That's right, mate. I completely agree.
So,
That's what.
if you're from Nissan, so what we're doing with that drain is extending that sunroof drain here out the sill so it drips onto the floor. And we're just using some fucking black pipe that I took out the engine bay, just making the end thinner so that it fits in. And we're going to put him in there, Jubilee clip him, and then have him hanging out the bottom of the sill so it drips on the ground.
And not in the sill.
Not in the sill, thank you very much. Oh, the 90? Let me just have a look at my lips.
Take them a bit. Just scoring your lips.
You've scored my lips.
Yep, well and truly.
That's going to take some serious rubbing of my lips to
You're
get
using
that off.
galvanised as well, Aaron, aren't we? Can you just explain why we're using galvanised?
No.
Neither can I.
Okay then.
Okay.
Right, so change of plan. Instead of having this hanging down out of the sill, we're going to reroute it so it comes out of this hole here. Hang on, I'll get a bit further away. So that hole that's already there, The drain comes from down there. It's going to go, we're going to drill a hole in here, seal it up, well, put him through and have him hanging out of that hole there and seal it all up. Doing all that before we weld the sills on, because you could just weld a load of new metal on and leave the sunroof drain there, and in another 5 years it'll be rusty again, so it's a waste of fucking time, isn't it, Clell?
Waste of fucking time.
That's death before Shona. So that's what that says. Is he talking to a girl?
Yeah.
Who is she? She's got a nice car. Oh, that's a nice car. It's alright, your arch cap's a bit. What are you doing to it?
Trying to work out where the wig's come from. The white's leaking. There's nothing bent over it. I've looked at it.
Look at that. Scene.
Screws.
If you were sat there. Oh.
Ooh.
Now, isn't that beautiful?
No.
Where have you come from?
Where have you been all my life?
Did it hurt?
What, being that fucking good looking?
No, when you fell from heaven. Go on, son. Go on, Gaz, you flipping madhead. Have you done it?
Oh.
Have you done it?
No.
Oh, you're not bothered, are you?
That was he?
Not bothered. Go on, reroute the shit out of that pipe.
He shags.
Mate, no one's drilling holes like you, Gaz.
No one can.
No one can. So, this is where we've rerouted it. Should have been done like that in the first page. Shouldn't it? So now when we weld the new metal on in fucking 5 years time, it's not going to be dead again, so.
It's good enough to fucking weld, isn't it?
You happy with that?
I've got to just bend this a little bit more. Just need a little bit more.
He's looking for somewhere to bend that.
Look at the concentration.
Go on, Gaz. Oh, his tongue came out there, didn't it?
No.
Oh no, he wasn't happy with that.
He's not even using it, have
He wasn't happy with that.
Just breathing on it.
There we are, look, he's gone for a position 2.
That's better. No.
No, he's not happy with that either. Look at him, proper. He's like, where the fuck am I going to bend this?
Fucking hell, this is bullshit, this is.
It's just
Oh,
nothing.
let's try this. What's he doing?
Oh, he's just... No, he's not happy with that either. Here we go. Oh, he's going all around now. Where is he? Is he going to find anything there?
It's like a lost sheep.
No, he's not. No. Here we go. Is he going back to the skip? Yeah, we've gone back to the skip. Stick with what you know.
This was the second attempt though. No.
Oh, no. He's... Oh, where's he going?
Is that enough?
He's off, isn't he?
Let's go home.
Gaz?
Where is he?
Gaz?
Come on. He's done.
Gaz?
Oh, no.
Gaz? Oh, there he is.
There.
Gaz? Gaz? Gaz?
I'm getting a bit worried now.
Have you got his parents' number?
No.
We might need to ring his
I
parents.
know where he lives.
It's like when you're playing football with a load of the boys,
Which I do all
and
the
then
time.
one of them goes in for their tea, but he takes the football with him.
Yeah, and it's like, what if you...
Because then no one can do anything.
Do we need to check this? Shall we?
Guys,
I can hear a noise.
I can hear footsteps.
Is that him?
Yeah, definitely. I'm on Tinder at the moment.
Oh,
Guys,
oh, come on.
here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Gaz. Gaz?
Doesn't look happy.
Who is it? Who is?
We wonder where you gone, guys.
Oh, I've just been to this way. Right, man.
Who is this? I don't know, but they're in a seat. Reese is here.
Oh, you?
Say hello to the new sill! Thank you.
Great.
Oh, you look nice. You look nice with it portrait instead of landscape. Nice torch, isn't it? Do you want sunlight or do you want LED?
What do you mean?
Press it again. LED. Press it again. Even whiter. Sunlight. LED. Sunlight.
Don't. I don't want to be on your fucking silly little fucking videos.
For anyone that wants to know how to properly restore and look after a fine piece of Japanese history, then watch this. But you have to know that you are a silly little idiot, because that's what Gaz said. So
He keeps putting me on his fucking Instagram bollocks.
my Instagram.
Your Instagram. Is that one of them really long Instagram stories
Yeah, it's just a super long Instagram story.
that go on YouTube?
Yeah, Instagram on YouTube.
Yeah. Links
It's
to
alright, Aaron, I'll get that bit of filler out there, mate. That you forgot to get out.
Filler?
Yeah.
No filler here, mate.
Do you want to get the Hoover and just get that shit out of there, or are you not bothered? Just let your audience know what you want to do with that. Do you want to get that shit out of there? He's not bothered. Then short and...
I never said you were short.
Something said I'm short.
You said that your neck was hurting from trying to reach that. So to not make you feel bad, I said my back was hurting from bending down.
Which, you basically saying, you're a short ass, Gary.
That's not what I was saying.
It's alright.
You were saying you were short, if anything.
I'll just come in on my day off, Bank Holiday Monday, yeah? I've only got a family at home.
You were
I know
saying-
that's recorded, so don't pretend it's not by putting it up there. Family at home, we're moving house 2 weeks, we've got packing to do, but no, instead, I'm doing my mate's fucking micro. And he's insulting me by saying I'm a fucking short ass.
How tall are you?
I never once said...
I am 6'4".
You're massive.
You're 7 foot.
Fucking hell. Jesus.
So what part of me wanting to put the car down is calling you short? That's what I want to know.
He was actually trying to aid you.
Oh, do you know what, Klaus? This is exactly what I do every day, and he just turns it around and tries to make it into some sort of insult.
I was going to do a really good job of this bit. Yeah, it's alright. I've got a family at home that needs seeing to. That's alright. That's alright. That's not a sort of how it was fine. Also, just coming up to 10.